Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and my friend Kelly Jones from Royal Reflections was kind enough to send me her entire product lineup to test out. And up first, we're going to be putting Dagger in to work on this smoked-in interior. So we've got Royal Reflections Dagger all-purpose degreaser. Actually, already have it mixed up in a bottle, 5-to-1. We've got our steering controls here. You can see we've got a lot of just grime that has built up. Some EPCs would actually remove the white lettering that was already gone. You can see it's not smearing the white lettering, but it's cleaning. So that's a good sign. We've got our Dagger all-purpose degreaser here. And we're going to quickly clean our steering wheel buttons. Got all that nastiness off. Everything looks nice and fresh and clean. Very quickly and easily. We're going to go ahead and clean our steering wheel. We got our Autofiber Scrub Ninja. We got our Dagger all-purpose cleaner. If you've never cleaned your steering wheel with one of these Scrub Ninjas, then you are definitely in for a treat, because it does a fantastic job of quickly cutting through all of that nastiness that's on your steering wheel that sometimes you don't want to recognize. This vehicle was previously smoked in, so there's a lot of just residue that has accumulated. Look at that. That is gross. So that works really well. So there you have a quick product demonstration for Royal Reflections Dagger, their all-purpose degreaser, as well as the Autofiber Scrub Ninja Star. I had this cut 5-to-1, and you can see it did a fantastic job of cutting through all of that grime quickly, but yet being sensitive on the delicate surfaces. Check the video description for the links for both products down below. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.